The tenant called, the stove's not working. What do you do? Do you send a repair person or do you get a quote for replacement? I've had this conversation over the years many times with investors, and it can be tricky. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 rules that you can follow to make better decisions in terms of repairing or replacing. My name's Jason Warner. I'm a real estate investor. I have rental properties. I've been flipping homes around central Indiana for a couple of decades. I also own Indiana Property Management Group, and we manage hundreds of homes around Indianapolis and the surrounding suburbs. The first thing that most investors think about is, how can I solve the problem today for the least amount of money? And I don't think that's a wise way to look at it. I think we should be considering what is the most cost-efficient solution over the next few years, and what can I do today to get there? Next thing is, how old are the items in my home? How old is the HVAC? How old is the water heater, the roof, and the other components in the home? That will greatly impact my decision whether I'm repairing or replacing. And then finally, appliances. To me, these are particularly frustrating because repair costs on appliances seem to be high when compared to the relatively low replacement cost. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Our maintenance team at Indiana Property Management Group handles maintenance issues on rental properties every day. And we can walk alongside you and help make sure you're making the best decision you can for your property at any given time. Please reach out to us at Indiana PMG for more information on that. Now, what are the 4 rules that we need to follow to make sure that we are taking the most cost-effective decisions when we're considering reliability, expense today versus long-term value, impacts on the tenants, and things like that? All right, let's talk about my 4 rules to consider when making these decisions. Number 1, don't focus on what's cheapest today. I touched on it earlier, but it's really important that we have a long-term perspective when making these decisions. Number 2, let's look at the repair history for that item. Is this a water heater that has gone out a couple times in the last year, or a furnace that we have to continually band-aid? That is important. Number 3, what is the replacement cost ratio relative to the repair cost? And this is interesting because what I would consider to be an acceptable ratio is going to change over time. And so my example would be, if we have to make a $600 repair on a furnace that is, say, 5 years old, well, that might make sense. But if we are going to be considering a $600 repair on a furnace that's 14 years old, well, that might not make sense. Then it might be smart to replace it. The 4th rule, and this is one that I think gets overlooked the most, what is the impact going to be on our tenant? If the furnace keeps going out and we have to keep sending a vendor out to repair it, the tenant surely is going to be getting frustrated, but they may also be taking off of work to meet the contractor, and that could be costing them money. All the while, frustration is mounting, and they may be making a decision to not renew their lease when it ends. Now, the decisions that you've made today could be leading to a vacancy and a turnover down the road. Again, we would be very happy to talk with you in detail about these 4 rules and anything else to do with your rental property. Please reach out to us at indianapmg.com or give us a call at 463-777-1112. Please hit that subscribe button so that you'll be notified anytime we put out more informational material. And thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next video.